Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a brand new action camera to show you guys. It's a 4K action camera made by this company called Apeman and the model is Trawo. It has a 16 megapixel Panasonic sensor, can shoot videos in 4K at 30 frames per second and also has electronic image stabilization. I can't wait to unbox and see how the action camera looks like. So the Apeman Trawo comes in this box packing. It's a simple black box. You've got the Apeman logo on it and the model is called Trawo. There is nothing else written on the box, so let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Apeman for sending me this product for review purpose. Alright guys, let's open the box and check out the action camera. On opening the box, we've got the action camera at the top. It comes packed in this small box and along with that we also have another box. I guess we've got some accessories in there. First let's check out the camera. So here is the Apeman Trawo 4K action camera. It comes in this 30-meter waterproof case. The quality of the case is nice, the build quality looks good, and also the design of the waterproof housing looks a bit different than the other action cams. Let me open the case and take the camera out. So this is how the case opens up, and here is our Trawo 4K action camera. Has a very clean design, there's nothing written on the front, and this is its backside. You've got the Apeman logo. We'll check out the action camera in a moment. First let's see what's inside the other box. Oh, we've got a lot of stuff over here. You get a bike mount, so you can fix the camera onto your bike's handlebar. You also get 2 helmet mounts, few more mounts and stickers, tripod mount adapters, few more different kind of mount adapters, a USB cable for charging and data transfer, an extra back door for the waterproof case, few straps and bandages, a big clip type mount, lens cleaning cloth, and few cable ties. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's check out the Trawo 4K action camera. The build quality looks okay. The body is completely made of plastic. Let me remove the sticker on the lens. It has a 170-degree wide-angle lens with f1.8 aperture. The quality of the lens is nice. To the left we've got a status LED indicator. The whole body has a soft matte finish on it and the action camera feels quite light in the hand. At the top you've got 2 buttons. One is the shutter button on the right and the power/mode button beside that. On the left side there's a microphone and a flap over here. Let me open it and show you. You've got a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port and HDMI port below that. On the right side you've got a speaker and 2 up and down buttons to navigate through the menu. This is the bottom part. You only have a battery compartment here. Let me show you the battery. This action camera comes with a 1350 mAh lithium ion battery. And this is how the back looks like. You've got the Apeman logo and an LCD display beside that. It's not a touchscreen. Let me peel the sticker on top of it. The Trawo has a 2-inch display on it. So that was our overview on the design and build quality of the Trawo action camera. Now what I'll do is I'll just insert an SD card in it, charge the battery and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've charged the camera and also inserted a micro SD card in it. Now let's power it on. I'll show you the menu and the interface on the camera. You need to press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds to power it on. There you go. So this is how the interface looks like. The display quality is good but not the best I've seen. You need to use these 2 buttons to navigate through the menu. At the top you've got the recording time, microphone status and the battery level. The bottom part shows you the exposure, ISO, resolution, white balance and the scene mode. The camera mode can be changed by pressing the power button. This is the photo mode. It shoots photos in 16 megapixel resolution. By pressing it again, you'll get the gallery. Let's check out the settings now. You've got the video resolution over here. It's currently set to 4K 30 frames per second. It can also shoot videos in 2.7K at 30 fps, 1440p in 60 and 30 fps, 1080p in 60 and 30, and 720p in 120 and 60. So it can also shoot slow motion but only in 720p resolution. The photo resolution is set to 16 megapixels. You can also shoot time-lapse, loop recording. It also has electronic image stabilization. You can also adjust the lens angle, timer, burst mode, microphone on-off and lot of other camera parameters. And these are its general camera settings. So these were all of its settings. Now let's go out and put this camera to a test. Alright guys, we are here in outdoors to test how this action camera performs. We're shooting this video right now with the Apeman Trawo 4K action camera. We're shooting it in 4K 30 frames per second. So let's take some samples and see how this action camera performs. This video sample was shot in 4K at 30 fps. The EIS was turned on in this clip. The Apeman Trawo has a Panasonic MN3412 16 megapixel CMOS sensor and high silicon 3559 chipset. The sensor was doing a good job, the colors looked vibrant, the white balance was perfect, and the detail and the sharpness was also good. The lens angle was set to medium and the bitrate in 4K was around 60 to 62 Mbps. The video quality was really nice in 4K and the dynamic range was also good. The exposure was set to 0 in all of these video clips. This video sample was shot without the EIS. Just have a look at it. The videos shot in 4K on this camera were really good for the price. Now let's test how good the EIS on this camera is. This sample was shot without the EIS. I'm just walking casually and you can see the video looks a bit shaky. Now let's shoot the same clip but this time with the EIS on. The EIS was definitely doing a good job. The video looked stabilized and the shake was reduced by a great extent. This video was shot in 1440p at 60 fps on this camera. I was really surprised because it was not shooting in Quad HD, that is 2560 x 1440, but it was shooting in some odd resolution 1920 x 1440, which was in 4:3 ratio. The video quality was good, the colors were nice, everything was alright, but instead of this 4:3 video, they should have given real 1440p in 60 fps. That would have been much better and useful than this mode. Here's a video sample shot in 1080p at 60 fps. The video quality was okay, it was not as good as in 4K. If you want to shoot videos in 60 fps, then you can use this mode. The bitrate was around 30 Mbps. But based on my experience, 4K 30 fps was the best mode on this camera. Now let's check out the microphone quality on this action camera. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone test on the Apeman Trawo 4K action camera. The weather is quite nice today guys, it's raining right now so I can't go out. We are shooting this video in 4K 30 frames per second. So what do you think about the microphone quality guys? Do let me know in the comment section down below. The Trawo can also shoot videos in slow motion. This slow motion video was shot in 720p at 120 fps in indoor lighting conditions. The slow motion video quality was actually good than many other action cams. Just check out this sample. Now let's check out a video sample shot in low light condition. The low light performance of this camera was not that good. You can barely see anything and there was a lot of noise in the video. These are a few photo samples shot on it. It shoots photos in 16 megapixel resolution and the photo quality was good. The colors were nice, the detail was good, but there was slight barrel distortion in the photos due to that 170-degree wide angle lens. Now let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life was decent. It has a big 1350 mAh battery and on an average I was getting around 1 hour 45 minutes while shooting in 4K 30 fps. So that was my review on the Apeman Trawo 4K action camera. It's a good 4K action camera. The video quality was really nice in 4K, the microphone quality was also good and the battery life was also decent. The only thing they could have improved was the build quality. Instead of plastic, they should have gone with aluminum. Also the low light performance was not that good. This camera costs about 8,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.